Digital Adverts Limited. Ads that pay.
A good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, my friend, wherever you are. Once again, this is Willie White from Digital Adverts Limited and a digital mall landlord. For today, I'm with my friends in Zambia. Yes, we are building Zambian community. So if you're from Zambia, this video is specifically made for you. I'll send my greetings to all our members from Zambia and all those who are watching these videos. I also send my greetings to you. In today's video, I want to mainly talk about team earnings. Now, with Digital Adverts, as we are a growing company, we want to pay you for growing our community. We want to pay you for spending your time sharing about digital adverts. We want to pay you for sparing your good time trying to show people the benefits of digital adverts. And for this reason, we have come up with good strategy of paying you. Yes, we want to pay you for sharing our application. We want to pay you for discussing with others about our application. We don't want your money, no. We are going to give you our money. Yeah, thank you. As I'm going to take you into today's class, once again, digital class Africa. Yeah, as Africa, we have come up with this big project, and I want Zambia to also participate in our growth. I want to first talk about adverts team earnings. Yes, adverts team earnings. As digital adverts, we give people adverts to watch, and after we pay them. But there are some commission which come from other people watching adverts when you're the one who referred them to digital adverts. Now, when you have a big team, it means you're going to be earning big. Yeah, now let's start with adverts team earnings. We have an image advert and a video advert. Now, when a friend watches a video for your sake, remember, you're not online, you're not even knowing what is going on online, but there is an advert running online. So what you do when you have your team, when one person in your team watches an advert, it means you're going to earn this amount of money. It is 0.01 kwacha. And when it is a video advert, you're going to earn 0.2 kwacha. What does this mean? Now, if you have like one person watching for you an advert, you're going to earn this money from that person. And when you have that person watching a video advert in only 30 seconds, it means you're going to be earning this amount of money. And if we have a good projection, now digital adverts is like, now in Zambia it is not even a year. Yeah, it is not even a year, but in Uganda we are moving our third year. So now take a scenario, a projection like digital adverts has spent like 5 years, 3 years in your country, and you have built a big team in those years. Don't take a scenario when you're joining 10 years from now. No. You just take a scenario when you are building it from today up to like 5 years from now. Remember, a projection is like you seeing something in future. Now, in future, when you have like 1,000 people watching adverts, like you're the team leader and they are under you and they are watching adverts, those people are going to be paid while you are also paid. How? Remember, when you have 1,000 people watching adverts, they are going to be paid, and you're also going to be paid this small money. Now, when you accumulate 1,000 people, you will collect this amount of money from 1,000 people, 10 kwacha. This is good money. And when you have like 10,000 people, that is 100 kwacha. My friend, this money, you're not going to wake up in the morning and go and work for it. No, people are going to be using their smartphones, using their mobile data, using their Wi-Fi, using their internet connections, and you're also going to be earning. Currently, people are earning while we are using smartphones. WhatsApp owners are earning, Zoom owners are earning, Facebook owners are earning, but you're using Facebook, you're using WhatsApp, you're not earning. Now, as Africa, we have come up with a platform where your effort right now will pay you in future. So don't use this chance as a joking matter. Just concentrate on having this dream too. Let's have the same projection. Yeah. Now, when to talk about sales commission. Sales commission, here I'm talking about you like going for a business. You go to present a business, like for example, I Willie White, I go to a shop, I discuss with a shop owner and gives me an advert. Now after giving me an advert, I will upload that advert. After uploading the advert, I will earn my commission. But again, you who connected me to get adverts, you're also going to be earning sales commission. Is that not good? It's only in digital adverts. Remember, we consider 3 levels: the first level, the second level, and the third level. And on the first level, now those are the people you talk to direct. When that person brings a business, brings an advert in digital adverts, you're going to be paid 13% of that money. I don't know how much the advertiser is going to pay, but any amount that advertiser pay, you earn 13%. And the person on the second level, you are going to be earning 0.4%, and on the third level, you're going to be earning 0.2%. Now, all this commission, you don't work for it. It is your team. It is your team. You don't labor. You just train your team to go and look for adverts, and you sit home and relax. That is how we are going to be making money in this digital era. Number 2, I want also to talk about paybills commission. Remember, in digital adverts, we focus on solving problems. We solve problems from home to business. Now, from home, you will pay electricity, we pay water bills, we pay TV, we pay, like we buy airtime, and we are also going to add some tax fees, so that you use digital adverts to pay them. Now, while your team is paying those bills, you as a team leader from Zambia, you have your network, a big network, a very good network, like over 1,000 people, 10,000 people. Those people are going to be using pay bills on daily basis. Someone is buying data, another one is paying fees, and another one is like paying utility bills of electricity, water, and you're going to be paid. How? Let's see. Like when your team, suppose your team pays like 5,000 kwacha per day. Like we combine your team, I don't know how much they are going to pay each, but when in total they pay 5,000 kwacha, it means per day you're going to earn 20 kwacha on your account, your digital adverts account. You have not labored for it, but your work was to build a team. Number 2, this means that 600 kwacha monthly. 600 kwacha monthly. Now, this amount of money, it is very good when you have just landed on it. Now, what if you're earning it monthly? Monthly, it is part of your expected income monthly. When you have such a good team. Number 3, I want to conclude with digital mall. Digital mall is now our big brand product, and we want the whole of Africa to be using digital mall. And my friends from Zambia, they are not going to know this digital mall unless you talk to them, unless you show them how we operate, unless you show them the advantages of using digital mall over other platforms. Now, we are also going to pay you for teaching them. We are also going to pay you for educating them. Show them how we use the application. Motivate them so that they can bring their business on digital mall. Now, let's see. As we are concluding, let's see. We have a shop, we have a store. Now, when you talk to someone and that someone uploads a shop, you're going to earn 164 kwacha, and when that person uploads a store, you're going to earn 328 kwacha. That is first level. And then when that friend of yours also talks to another person to use digital mall, we are also going to pay you on the second level 15%, that is 61.5 kwacha for a shop and 123 kwacha for a store. On the third level, we are going to be paying you 5%, and that is 20.5 on a shop and 41 kwacha on a store. Thank you for watching this video. I would like to share more with you on other videos, so subscribe, like and comment if possible. Thank you. We'll wait. Bye bye.